Hey guys, Justin here of Tech, and you've read the title. This is OPPO's first rollable smartphone and it's called the OPPO X 2021. It was introduced in late 2020 and, well, it's still not fully developed yet as we have an engineering unit on hand. But nonetheless, this is something definitely worth checking out. Alright, right off the bat, this innovative phone feels chunky to grip. Its unrolled size is already large at 6.7 inches, but that's not new anymore in today's flagship smartphones. Although there sure is a heft at 263 grams, which is justified with its rollable mechanism. Its design looks elegant and sleek in a white plus silver tone together with a non-protruding camera module for the LED flash and triple rear cameras. For the exciting part, to trigger the display open, simply swipe up or double-click on the power/lock button and vice versa to retract it back. It actually works well, but we think it would be better if the scrolling part has a dedicated button on its own. Now, undeniably, there's a wow factor when you first see this device expand. From 6.7 inches, the flexible OLED display glides to a 120Hz Quad HD plus 7.4-inch screen without any noticeable crease. This works due to a 6.8mm central axis underneath that keeps the flexible panel prone from creasing. I mean, you will still notice a line where the display expands, but it's not that bothersome. However, the slim gap on the left can be a dust magnet, so you'll most likely wipe the screen every time you widen it up. Noticeably, the bezels look relatively slim, but there's a slight bump much like the frames on foldable phones today. As you can see, whenever it rolls wider, whatever contents you have on the screen are optimized to seamlessly adjust. If it's your first time seeing this, it gives a what just happened vibe. If you're wondering, scrolling through this flex display feels more plasticky. The experience is comparable to the first iteration of Samsung's Z Flip and Fold models. Now weirdly, there seems to be no volume rocker and front camera here. Up top, we get a single microphone while at the bottom are its loudspeaker, main microphone, and a USB Type-C port. For internals, the OPPO X 2021 that we have is equipped to the Qualcomm Snapdragon 865 chipset together with 8GB of RAM and 128GB of internal storage. While the configuration might still change in the future since what we have is an engineering unit. Battery-wise, we get a rather small 4000 mAh capacity that's ready with OPPO's free VOOC Air charging. I do hope the brand will place a larger battery on this because so far it's been a power hog. As for software, it's running on Android 11 skinned with Color OS that's customized for its special design. Since this is still a concept phone, you may have noticed that it's in the Chinese version, so we get a few limitations still. But so far, multitasking and watching videos on its large 7.4-inch display is a fun experience. Alright, so as I've mentioned, since we still get an engineering unit, it won't be commercially available yet. And honestly, there's still a lot of room for improvements here. But we do see the effort that the brand is putting in to be more innovative, and we sure are not underestimating it. And yeah, that's it for now on this OPPO X 2021. What do you guys think about this futuristic phone? Let us know in the comments. And of course, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to drop a like, subscribe to our channel for more content, hit that bell icon so you don't miss any future uploads, and be sure to visit yugatech.com for the latest tech news and reviews. Once again, this is Justin, and don't forget to wash your hands and stay at home.